Alright, so what I have here is these Denver steaks. The wife really likes the Hardcore Carnivore Black, so we're going to go ahead and season a few of those up with that. You guys know how this goes. Now, we're going to use Uncle Steve's thick meat. It is a black pepper kind of heavier rub, which I like. Got the Weber kettle already heated up, so we're going to set these offset over here. And we're going to let these kind of smoke a little bit. We're going to let them smoke up a little bit there. I just got some royal oak in there. I'll drop some cherry wood in just a second. Let's do that there, and then let's take this Uncle Steve's and throw it right there. And the storm rolled in, so I had to set this right here in the garage door. So we'll let those smoke for a little while, and we'll come back. Alright, so now to accompany my steaks here, what we're going to do is we're going to add our cast iron skillet. We're going to give it a spritz, just olive oil. We're going to drop in some butter and get it undone there. Drop in some butter, get that swirling around. Make it all nice and hot. Now to that, we've got 2 small white onions and 1 large green bell pepper. Right. Looks like these steaks, they've only been on for a few minutes, but let's go ahead and give them a flip. I'm not ready to check internals yet. They are looking good. If you like them rare, there you go. Alright, so let's let this skillet go. Alright, let's see how our veggies are doing. Good, good, good. Getting soft. Alright. Getting soft. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of that Uncle Steve's thick meat. Just a little bit there. Now we got some sliced baby bellas. We're just going to throw a few of these in there, about half a container. Or the whole container. It's just fine. And let's temp our steaks. 132, 136, 134. So those are just right for me. All right, guys. Now that our steaks have rested, our veg is off. Let's go ahead and let's get some of this on the plate. Got some of our veg. Let's put our peppers and onions and mushrooms down with the Uncle Steve's thick meat. Let's put that down first. And then we're going to put on, let's do this little steak here. And that was with the Uncle Steve's thick meat. All right, let's go over and do a taste test. All right, everybody, let's do this taste test. Man, let me tell you, it smells amazing. The cherry wood gave it a great, great color. Let's try this Denver steak with the Uncle Steve's thick meat. Good beefy flavor. That thick meat with the black pepper and the just enough salt in it really enhances that beef flavor. And I put some on my onions here, on peppers. So let's taste that. Good enhancement of veggies. Yeah. All right, man. That's the first time I've ever had a Denver steak, and I think I like it a lot. So, you out there, try it out, man. Try something new. And remember, there's only 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good, and did you have fun? Or enjoy it? Same thing. Have a great week, everybody. You guys rock.